I've known for a while now, but like me just decide say it's the right time to tell you I'm pregnant. Hey guys, it's your girl Serena here, back with another video. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for future content like this and more. And also follow me on all socials at Hey Siri _ on Twitter. Now we're not in the bag of long talking, so let's get into this video. In this video, I'm doing something very risky. Risky. I don't know how the reaction is going to turn out. I don't know how things are going to turn out, but just know that I have brought you here for my first ever prank. And listen, from here onward, it is going to be authentic, real pranks, okay? No, none of the fake thing, none of that, real pranks. So stay tuned. And as you guys can see in the title, I will be telling my dad I'm pregnant, you know? Yeah. And we're gonna get his reaction. Before we call him, I'm going to call my second big sister, Kris-Ann, and she's going to tell me what she thinks, how she thinks that he's going to act. And Sherise will be here too. So it's going to be a whole family reunion for my little bump.
See you get gone. Baby mama, this your song. Been pregnant for way too long. Now tell the DJ turn it up.
So Kris-Ann, how do you think that he gonna react to this?
I think he's just gonna be very silent, in denial, first of all. And maybe a little bit upset, but he'll come around. Just like all parents.
Come around in a few days if it was real. But right now, me not know. Me feel say.
You know what? You should make it play out for a few days, you know.
Kris-Ann.
You should not tell him it's a prank.
You need a trouble later. Yeah, trouble later, boy.
Hi, Daddy. Nothing. No. I'm glad to see you a long time and I talk to you. Me never do want to swell your head too much, you know. Me never do want. Oh. Me like how you start to admit the truth and you're not really too. Oh, understand. They're here, you know. How was your day? Quiet? It's good. No, you need some peace and quiet sometime.
Yes. I've been doing that ever since, you know.
Oh.
You can't tell the nice.
Not true.
Yeah,
Can't listen to the crowd, you know.
Yeah. Nice custom fusion.
Yeah.
I like that shit, certainly.
You like it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I think I want it.
You want too much stuff. Everything me want, you me have your want.
That's the shit.
You can't sleep?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
I want it. I wonder if I go there,
Yeah, well, look on up.
when want that?
Alright, you're really too big, you know. You're getting really too biggy, and that's just that on that.
So was the week at work?
Stressing, you know.
That's work.
I never do really feel too well in the morning then, so.
Okay.
Yep.
So,
So you love me, Daddy?
very much. You know, I have to be coordinating things for you till I come home and she was go to the laundry and clean the place before you come. You don't want to dirt linen on the bed and clean out the center.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, man.
I appreciate my father, you know. Yeah, I only one who will go look out for me through thick and thin.
Yeah. I mean, really want you come back home.
Me know.
I'm not thinking that'll be next week.
Next week? Next week?
Yeah.
So, how are you?
That's your sister.
I have something to tell you. You realized for the past couple weeks I haven't been talking to you, right?
Yeah.
So I want to tell you that something bad happened.
Such as.
I've known for a while now, but like, me just decide say it's the right time to tell you I am pregnant.
Huh?
I am pregnant.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see. How much was?
About 3 to 4 months.
Okay.
Nothing. Just feel like to tell you. No, it's the right time to tell you.
So who is it?
She haven't been talking to me since
Really?
she found out.
Yes, sister.
She's been there, but you know she disappointed.
Oh. Okay. I think you're ready for that.
I'm not ready, but circumstance like it happened, so I don't know what to do.
Okay.
And it's too late to turn back now.
Okay.
I just need the support, you know?
Okay. I see. So, we're not talking to you, we're going to get support from her.
I think with time, you know, everything will heal itself, I guess.
Okay. I know the father.
Yeah, we've been talking for a year now.
Okay. Is that the same building?
No.
Okay. I see. I have to tell. I'll tell the grandma no.
So how do you feel about it, like finding out this news?
Well, I'm not this over.
But you know, it's still whatever anger, whatever I want to know now, you know.
No,
Just
what I'm saying, and like I said, we can't do anything about it from out here. I'm getting angry with you what it was solve the problem.
you're right.
See, I understand the message.
I get you.
So, it's a 3 months.
3 to 4 months, going 4 months now.
Okay. So, 4 months. So, we're born in December.
Yeah.
Oh. I see. So, you went to the clinic or the doctor?
Yeah, I've been getting like starting to do prenatal vitamins and stuff, and I've been going to the doctor and stuff right now.
Okay. I see. Yep. was working.
Yeah, he worked for the New York MTA.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Guess you have grandpa milk.
Who would have said that? But never plan for it. Like plan for it to happen.
Okay. Yeah.
But I started showing a little bit. But
You know, brother? Brother, you used to say you're a crackhead youth? Brother.
really sorry to disappoint you. I'm really sorry to disappoint you.
I remember so you don't know like a year this is your life,
No, but I know you expect better from me. I know you expect better from me. I'm really sorry to disappoint you. I just feel like a failure. I just feel like a failure. She cursed and she showed and the works, and I told her like sometime, I think 2 weeks ago I told her, and she haven't really talked to me then.
So what's the shit I wanted to
I just guess I have been trying to think on that and trying to figure that out, but I don't think she will move me out. It's just a case of anger right now, and I understand that she need the time because just feel like me just ruin my life and yep. So anything you want to say to me? Like yeah. But if it was a case where I was with you, what you think you would say? Like how would you think you would react? So you're somewhat excited or happy? But I just want to say something. This is a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. I'm not. Wait, Daddy. Hold on. It's a prank. It's a prank. Wait, Daddy.
Daddy. Oh gosh, hold on there. Let me take off this because me I sweat.
Me nervous, guys. Me nervous. Oh, here,
Me dead about 100 times.
Daddy, here is my belly. My belly is not big. This is a big dress. I am not pregnant. You know. You're on my YouTube channel. Say hi.
Me dead.
Yes,
About
Daddy.
100 times.
I think that even Kris-Ann did.
Boy, I didn't believe.
Yeah, but
You
you
didn't
sort of
believe.
even my little tears. Yeah, they catch me
You
little
didn't
tears.
believe. Girl, you deserve an Oscar.
Yeah.
When me say girl
Yeah.
start crying.
Me not know where tears come from. Me just think about something sad.
Girl start crying.
Hold on.
No.
Wait.
Real tears, you know? Girl, I went on all these things.
Me hot.
No, man. You're good.
Zaddy.
You're good.
This, look there. We all buy belly for prank, you know? This is a planting. Look there.
Chrissy, I have to go get her an award. No, man. This too good.
I mean, I gonna even show you one pregnancy test, but this is a positive pregnancy test. But we never get around to that. Me too nervous.
Me say my girl don't cry. My girl say, man.
Me kind of feel say he not believe can start smile. I mean, I say
No.
this
Him,
man a
no.
smile.
Him believe. Daddy believe. Daddy believe 100%. There was no doubt in it. He believe. No,
But Daddy,
man,
me
you
not
believe.
gonna tell you no
Yeah,
lie.
if I did say to him, say we call him back, I dare say it done, man. He
Yeah,
believe.
me not think me could have go on with it. Like all Sherise I said, things so we call him back.
Yeah.
Me say me can't go on. Daddy, at the end of the day,
Unbelievable.
hold on, let me wrap this up because the video really long. Say hi to my YouTube.
Mrs. Shirley, this is Daddy Anglin saying hi to YouTube channel.
Yeah.
From Miss Shirley, partially.
No, fully, sir. Be a good sport.
Okay guys, so I'm about to wrap this up and I just want to say thank you to Sherise and Kris-Ann for supporting me in my prank, and you guys are the best big sisters ever. And also my father claimed that I did not get him. Him claims that I did not get him. What you guys think? Comment down below. Tell me what you think. I think I got him. Okay, so let me know what you guys think. And yeah, that's just about it for this prank. I'm not pregnant. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on all socials at Hey Siri _ on Twitter. Now I'll see you next weekend in my other video. Bye.